New dietary guidelines leave parents guessing, and it could impact children's brain development. Recent updates to the U.S. Department of Agriculture's USDA dietary guidelines have sparked concern among nutrition experts. While the new recommendations aim to promote healthy eating, many specialists argue that the removal of specific, measurable targets, such as the half-plate rule for produce, leaves parents without a clear roadmap for nourishing their children. This lack of precision arrives at a critical time. Nearly half of children under age 5 do not consume fruits or vegetables daily, according to 2024 data. The missing link: why specificity matters. Under the previous MyPlate guidelines, the instruction was simple: fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables at every meal. The new guidelines shift toward more generalized advice, encouraging children to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. While the intent is to promote a balanced diet, nutritionists warn that this vagueness creates a guidance gap. Loss of a science-based reference. Without specific portions, families may struggle to know if they are meeting their child's actual needs. Emphasis imbalance. Some experts, including nutrition scientist John E. Lewis, suggest the new guidelines may place disproportionate emphasis on meat and full-fat dairy at the expense of plant-based foods. The preaching paradox. While some parents may find the less prescriptive tone easier to digest, others who rely on definitive rules may find it harder to manage their child's nutrition effectively. The connection between produce and brain health. The stakes for dietary precision are high because nutrition is a primary driver of neurological development. Fruits and vegetables are rich in essential nutrients including antioxidants, B vitamins, folate, iron, and vitamins A, C, and K that serve as the building blocks for a growing brain. According to experts from Children's Hospital Los Angeles and Harvard Medical School, these nutrients are vital for cognitive function. B vitamins found in leafy greens directly impact neuron function, affecting memory and learning. Mood regulation. Proper nutrient intake is linked to better emotional stability. Physical growth, essential for immune function and the rapid physical development occurring in childhood and adolescence. Inadequate fruit and vegetable intake is a significant issue for children undergoing rapid growth, says clinical dietitian Stephanie Han. The body needs these nutrients not just to grow, but to learn and retain information. Conversely, a diet high in ultra-processed foods and low in produce has been linked to diminished cognitive performance and scholastic struggles. A practical guide for parents. Since the official guidelines are less specific, nutritionists recommend following these general benchmarks for children aged 5–10. Food group daily target, approximate. Examples: fruits 1–2 cups 1 medium whole. Fruit 1 cup of chopped fruit or 1–2 cup of dried fruit. Vegetables 1–2 cups 1 medium veggie, 1 cup of cut veggies, or 2 cups of raw leafy greens. Note: whole fruits and vegetables are always preferred over juices. Strategies to increase produce intake. Research suggests that exposure is the most effective way to change eating habits. A 2021 study found that simply increasing the amount of produce in side dishes could boost fruit and vegetable consumption by up to 41%. To encourage healthy habits, experts suggest creative presentation. Use cookie cutters to make star-shaped veggies or create food art like smiley faces. Flavor pairing. Enhance vegetables with flavors. Kids like, e.g., a squeeze of lemon, or blend them into smoothies to emphasize natural sweetness. Involvement. Let children help with food preparation to build a sense of ownership. Modeling behavior. Children are more likely to eat produce if they see the adults in their lives enjoying it. Avoid separate meals. Rather than cooking a different meal for a child, serve them the same foods as the adults. Even small interactions like smelling or touching a new food are essential steps toward acceptance. Conclusion. While the new USDA guidelines offer a broad framework for health, the lack of specific portion targets places the responsibility on parents to seek out detailed nutritional benchmarks. Prioritizing diverse, whole fruits and vegetables is essential not just for physical growth, but for the long-term cognitive and emotional development of children.